Guys, I got pot stickers and fried rice on the menu today, so let's start by making some fried rice. I'm going to throw down a little bit of oil and butter. The first thing we're going to do is cook our eggs. I got a dozen eggs, so if you're wondering what that looks like getting cooked on the flat top, well, here you go. 12 of them. Time to scramble. I'm going to move them all around. Fortunately, they're not sticking. I wasn't quite sure what was going to happen, but yeah, they're moving around really nice. So just keep those swirling. Bring it from the side to the center. Go ahead and give them a little chop from time to time. Be sure we get it all broke up. This is totally satisfying. Anybody who likes cooking on a flat top really enjoys this exact thing. This is a lot of fun. So we're going to just keep them moving. They're almost done. They do cook really, really quick. I'm giving you real-time action right here. So once those are all scrambled up, get them kind of broke up a little bit. We're going to push those off to the side, and we're going to go on with the rest of this. Guys, we're going to go a little bit more oil. I'm doing a garlicky fried rice today, so I'm throwing down some garlic, and I'm throwing down a little bit of ginger. And those two together, we're just going to let them cook on there for a quick moment. We're going to move them around really quick because they will burn. We don't want that burned garlic. That does not taste good. So keep them moving around. And we're going to go ahead and add in our peas and carrots. And my daughter said to me, "Peas and carrots, Dad?" I was like, well, I needed a little bit of color and a little bit of substance. So yeah, I threw in some peas and carrots. It really wasn't that bad. So we're going to throw the eggs on there too. Get this all mixed up. Keep breaking up those eggs because they do have a tendency to want to clump up into a bigger bite. We'll break them as much as we can. Mix around that garlic and ginger and peas and carrots, guys. And we're going to throw in our day-old rice. I cooked this yesterday. It's a little bit sticky, but we're going to go ahead and just keep moving that around on the grill. We'll use our two tongs and we're going to get it all broke up. First thing I want to do is bring some of that stuff from the bottom to the top. That way our garlic and ginger doesn't burn. Then I'm going to kind of just start breaking up those clumps. Get in there. This is a great way to do it. Little chop, chop, chop. That's going to work perfect. Once we kind of get it broke up a little bit, we're going to start seasoning this stuff, guys. I'm going to keep it real simple today. I'm going to start with a little bit of soy sauce. I actually have some liquid aminos here. So I'm going to put a little bit on there. You can always add more, guys, but you can't take it out. So remember, don't put too much at once. I followed that up with a little sesame oil. And then I like to use a little ponzu. It has that kind of sweet citrusiness to it. I'm going to put a little bit of that on there. Give it a little stir now. Mix it around really well. Remember, I'm not trying to get this super, super dark. We're leaving it kind of a light color. You can always add more of that stuff, but once you get too much, it gets a little salty. Then you've kind of ruined the whole thing. So go easy on your spices, a little bit at a time. At this point, I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. I'll finish that with a couple pinches of salt. One more nice little stir fry. This is pretty much ready, guys. It's super quick and super simple. Get my pan out. We're going to load this thing up. Another real satisfying part about cooking. There's lots of little things I just absolutely love to do. This is one of them as well. So we'll throw that down on the table. And guys, I got to give a little taste. And I'll tell you what, this was actually really, really good. The garlic and ginger comes out really nice. I love that bite of egg. Man, what a treat. Thanks for watching. Cheers, everyone.